Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicked off the day. Today is Monday, September 10th, I believe. Kicked off the day, took mom to the doctor appointment. Headed down to the junkyard to pull some shifter, clutch and brake pedal from an 850 for someone. And got a little tinkering to do. Edit somebody's website I built for them. And probably start my Patreon account today. So I'll put a link in my daily videos or videos I make from now on in the comments section if you want to go and join that. Several viewers have requested that I do that, and then I'm going to have a series of videos that I'm going to put back there. Things that are not required to keep your car running. Like the series that I'm doing right now on tuning Queen Bee and Panther. I'm not going to put that on this public channel. This free public channel. I don't want people getting that stuff and doing the wrong thing and blowing up your car. If they want it, they can go to the Patreon account, pay attention to what they're doing, and not blow up their car. So that's how I'm dealing with that. And I'll put other things up there. My daily videos, if possible, I will not delete them on the Patreon account, and probably put some more personal and interesting stuff on that account. I'll probably still post the daily stuff on this account, but it'll probably only be up for a week instead of at least a month. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching, and I'll watch this video I mixed from a previous day. Kicked off the day, took mom to a doctor's appointment. Now I'm coming to the junkyard to get a part for somebody and to pull a computer ECU for the tune that I'm going to order from Vast Tuning. When you go to get the ECUs, you want to release this clip here with a screwdriver or something. Do the same on the other side. Get a screwdriver down there. Pop that clip loose so you can get the box open. And then you see here, you got your ECU. You pull it back and pull it out. That's all you got to do. Now again, the cores that you want are any of the 98 turbos, because they're all 4.4. You can also get a computer from a 1997 GLT 850, which is a low pressure turbo. They're 4.4. Easier for him to program and tune for you. That's what he wants to use as core. I got a list I'm going to show you in a second and highlight it. The list may have this number on there. I'll show you the one I'm sending in. But the key numbers that you want to look for is that number there. As you can see, this one says 298. So that's how you want to pick out your core, pack it up, ship it into Vast Tuning, and once you verify that he got it, go ahead and order your tune. One of my tasks for the day is pulling the brake pedals out of this vehicle here. Man, this thing has some nice cloth blue seats. Somebody ought to come get these if they have any blue interior. These things are nice. Anyway, let me get started. Should be a link in the comment section about pulling these pedals. I removed these parts. I removed that extra deep center console cup. I removed this center console sleeve that the manual boot clips into. I removed the shifter assembly with the manual boot. I think it's back here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. That boot is in good shape, but not perfect shape. and I removed the pedal assemblies. So somebody bought the pedal assemblies, this other stuff. This somebody could buy. I'm going to keep this for Panther. And this manual car is about half torn apart. I wasn't 100% sure what ECUs would work. This one did work. On the end it says K2.2. It came out of a 98 GLT. As you can see, the number there is 261204, and the last four are what matters, the 458. I had Aaron send me a list of ECUs that should work, and there you see over here 4.4 turbo. These are the numbers, and you can see 458 there is a good number. So you want to get one of the ECUs that fit that number. Now next, I couldn't find the address to ship the cord to, so I contacted Aaron again via email. Been very responsive on email, and this is the address that you need to send your cord to. I wrapped my ECU in some bubble wrap, went around 1.5 times, space on top and bottom. I got a roll of bubble wrap here. I pulled about a foot of it off of that, wrapped it around there a couple of times, slid it in this priority flat rate envelope. I get from the post office, and shipped it to Aaron in that. I used PayPal to create my shipping labels. It's a little cheaper that way. In case you didn't catch the first time, there's the address there, and I will put it in my comments in the notes section of this video. I'm also going to make a video show you how to do this through PayPal. That way you can save some money on shipping. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.